Hello, Lanny Hartman here with Ziegler Caterpillar, demonstration operator. Today I'm going to go through the continuous flow feature in the Caterpillar skid steer loaders. First off, I want to point out the switch up here on the right hand side of the cab shows a picture of a hydraulic cylinder with circle arrows around it. That is our continuous flow switch. That just activates the system. So if I go and I click that switch and now I look up in the monitor, and you see we have that same symbol flashing in the upper right hand corner of the monitor. In order to get it active in the continuous flow to be on, we want to roll up the roller that is on our joystick controller. We want to roll that up and we want to hold it, and then we watch the monitor until that stays a solid green color. Once we have that active, we would have our continuous flow locked on. Now to turn the continuous flow back off, we look back down at our joystick and we can roll the roller one way or the other and it would deactivate the system. In order to turn the continuous flow off, we still have that flashing up in the monitor. We would click the switch up in the right hand corner of the cab again, and that deactivates the system. Thanks for watching.